Lil Yachty and his friends absolutely teed off on a Rolling Loud fan after the show. This was as they were leaving the Coliseum Sunday night. This is Yachty and his friends. Yachty's in the orange jacket in the back there. Now watch, because he's going to throw the first punch as they're arguing with this guy. And then Yachty decides he's had enough, punches him, and then they chase the guy.
Do we know why this happened?
So there are different explanations, as always whenever there's a fight, but you can see Yachty's getting in some shots while the guy's down.
Well, they are pummeling this guy.
Yeah.
Well, you always know there's got to be a reason for this, and this is honestly very out of character for Lil Yachty. So he eventually went to Instagram to explain himself because we posted the video, and obviously all we saw was the confrontation. But apparently what happened is him and his friends were standing there. This guy walked in the middle of their group and kind of pushed through and kind of pushed him.
So this is Yachty. This is Yachty kind of giving that version.
Trying to, yeah.
I feel the need to speak on it because clearly it's only showing one half of the altercation. So, basically last night as I was leaving out the festival, a guy walked in the middle of my group of people and pushed me, you know, like not tapped me, like pushed me out the way, you know, screaming and all type of stuff, you know what I'm saying, like being very disrespectful. And so we said something like, you need to say excuse me, and he's like, that, you know, just being blatantly disrespectful in my face. And, you know, it looks like we're just picking a fight. I'm not a problematic person. I don't just pick fights with people. I don't really, you know, it's not really my thing. I don't really.
Well, I mean, that's true. That is out of character for Yachty. He's not that guy normally, but
I get it,
in
but
that video,
they are pummeling this guy once he's down. They chased him, and he's.
What's not clear to me is what he never. Devin, did he ever say what the guy said? He just said he said something disrespectful. Well, I think what he said makes a difference.
It makes a huge difference.
Right. Like how disrespectful?
Because it's not just hitting
I don't
him
like your jacket,
and by the way, that's called sticks and stones. You're not allowed to hit a guy for that. But in addition to
there are certain things he could have said.
It's in addition to hitting him, they chased him down. So I agree with you. I want to know what was said because.
Right. And we couldn't hear it in the video.
No.
So I'm not clear on what it was. And that's the whole thing to me is what exactly was said.
I agree with you.